central Lancaster County in central South Carolina, northern Chesterfield County in central South Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Heath Springs to 6 miles northeast of Carolina's Sand Hills Wildlife Refuge, and are nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cheraw, Pageland, Chesterfield, Beaufort, Northeastern Technical College, Cheraw Municipal Airport, Jefferson, Ruby, Mount Croghan, Chesterfield Ruby Middle School, High Point Fire Station, Tradesville, Bay Springs Fire Station, 40-Acre Rock Preserve, Taxahaw, Chesterfield Detention Center, and Central High School. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm warning for